Hello everyone. Today I get the following one error notification while I try to install the TikTok app via Google Play Store. Many Android users facing a strange issue while using Google Play to install app, or using Google Pay to make a payment. It throws an error saying looks. It seems that another app is blocking access to Google Play. Turn off any apps that might be drawing over the screen and try again. If you're facing any such issues with Google Play Store, or Google Pay app on your Android phone, then in this video I will show you how to fix looks like another app blocking access Google Play. So let us start. Method 1. Uninstall updates of Google Play. Google Play Store is a system app on your Android device. What you can do is uninstall previous updates to the app. And this might help your problem. To do that, open Settings. Tap on Apps. Scroll down to Google Play Store. Tap on it. And then tap on the three dots on the top right corner. Tap on Install Updates. And check if the issue is resolved. Method 2. Check app allowed to draw over the screen. The apps are drawing over the screen error usually pops up when there's an app trying to display content over other applications on the screen. So check which apps have permission to draw over the screen. Open Settings on your Android phone. Go to Apps. Tap the three dots on the top right. Select Special Access. Look for Display over the apps, or appear on top. Check apps that are allowed to display over other apps. Turn off the permission for these apps. Now go to Settings, then Accessibility. Go to Installed Services. Turn off the permission. Now all you need to do is closing all opened apps. Then restart your phone. So this is the easy way to fix it. Seems that another app is blocking access to Google Play. Thanks for watching this video.